crisis crippled private capital markets and forced us to take steps in our financial system and with our auto companies that we would not have otherwise even considered. So, as a consequence of the sanctions that we put in place, and I appreciate all the help, bipartisan help that we received from Congress in making that happen, Iran's economy has been crippled.
The precedented regime of sanctions that has crippled Iran's economy, cut their oil revenues by more than half, have put enormous pressure on their currency. Their economy contracted by more than 5% last year. And it is precisely because of the international